Mechanical Repairs and Servicing, Diesel Specialist, Chinchilla, Queensland. Hit the ground running with this well-established mechanical workshop, offering an outstanding reputation and strong customer base. This is the go-to business in the area for repairs and servicing of light and heavy diesel vehicles and earth-moving equipment. Operating from excellent premises, this registered AIS station has plenty of potential to market and expand the business. Anyone seeking a small workshop with good clients in place should check out this great opportunity. Given its specialty, the business is perfectly positioned to benefit from the area's expanding gas field industry.